I'm here today to give you my review on this nut gift box. Now, this would be a great item to give to someone for Valentine's Day, simply because you could just say, I'm nuts about you. And so you get a wide variety of nuts in here, and I'm just going to show you what you get. Do come in different sizes, so you could get a different assortment of nuts if you chose. But this is a great way for a great gift. I don't particularly care for chocolate, so this would be something that somebody that knew me would know that I would appreciate, because I don't like chocolate, so they would know that I would like nuts instead. This comes with a variety of different nuts, all fresh, tastes really great. Cashews are good. So if you're looking for a great gift for somebody for Valentine's Day and you want to tell them that you're just nuts about them, this would be a perfect gift for somebody on Valentine's Day or a special day in their life. And that is just my honest opinion.